and welcome to my channel. First things first, let us thank God for bringing us through another week. Abanye abantu did not get this blessing of being alive, so let us be grateful. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Igama lami ngubabalo. You can call me Babes, you can call me Babs, you definitely can call me Babsi. Welcome. Please do join us and become part of this virtual family by clicking the subscribe button. And to Amari 10, thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for your comments. Thank you guys for coming back to another video. So today, guys, we are going to go by something, but let me just give you a little bit of background now. As maybe some of you know, or maybe you don't, I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, is that I started work last year. I was unemployed, right? I started work last year in March 2022. I was employed for a couple of months before then. And then and when I started work, I had to relocate from East London because Ben Kaya was in Tanzania Kaya, and I had to relocate from East London to Upper Bay. Now, the sector or the field that I'm working in is in construction. So all my life, or since I started working, I was placed here. Then we would move when the project ends, when the project is complete. Then we would have to go to the next place. So I was always moving. And the places that they would get for us were furnished places. Yeah, so I never got to buy a bed. I never got to buy a fridge or a TV and all of that. The only things that I had bought for a car, and it wouldn't make sense, man. And the thing is, then I move with them, and all the time they move a food and all of that. So when I got to Upper Bay, I had to start from scratch. When I bed, when I TV, when I don't, and remember was when you are unemployed, unamatyala that pile up because sometimes uboleka ukuthi okay, can you please umboleke up and and I must say I have good friends. Like I have good friends. Like God has blessed me with friends zamanyani because they never got tired of me. I remember when I relocated that month that I got paid, I got paid lanyanga, but still had to borrow money from my friend Uzmas. I'm like, Zimasa, can you please help me out because I needed to pay rent double. I needed to buy a bed. I needed to bring over my son because remember, must ask home mama kaseko that was staying with Hundalo. So it was just that, and I considered that I couldn't leave him at the year that side. So I had to pay registration fees. I had to buy new uniform. I had to finish paying fees on that side. I had to pay fees this side. So it was just a lot. And remember, I am a single parent. So it took a while for me to get things together. I managed to buy a TV. I remember because I was working that other year, and then with that money, I was contemplating, do I want to buy a washing machine or do I want a TV? Because when I moved to that place, because when I arrived up at PE, I stayed with the relative, and in don't believe no kubone kungade usinda abantu badinwe nguwe. So I just stayed a month, and then when I moved I had to go buy a bed, and then we were sitting on e-cam chairs up until ndaphiwa a couch nibona pha ndayiphiwa, and then I had no TV, so mntanami would watch laptop izinto and all of that. So I decided, okay, I must buy a TV. So things are adding up. Then a fridge, my aunt Uzo, so she gave me a fridge yakhe eyayindala. yeah, with the fridge that you guys would normally see. So la fridge sana I give up on you, girl, you know. And I had told myself that I'm gonna buy a fridge on Black Friday. Yeah, but Kasana, the fridge said, no, girl, no, I can't anymore, because last month I fixed a fridge. I think I've fixed the fridge like 4 times since Ndinayo, because I couldn't afford to buy a fridge, and I didn't want to take anything because I want to no, I don't want. I rather save and then buy whatever I can afford at that time with the money that I've saved. So my plan was to buy a fridge on Black Friday, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So now I was forced to go to buy a fridge, but at Nalapo I told myself I'm gonna buy a fridge month end, but I fridge yamu yanigezela. So I had to make means mandi tenge a fridge. And la fridge in the toilet, because at some point the rubber was not working and I had to put amanzi. I'm gonna put a picture. I had to put a 5-liter man so that the bale ingabuyi tango. Yo sana guys, unzima ever. And mnasengicedwa when I go to work, travel for work, because uninika travel vlog, otherwise angikubandle, because sana and baniyaqaphela soloko nenza amafleho. I saw the need morning leading the vlogger some takeaways, or I'm going out with a friend and a friend abo, but I don't even remember the last time I met up with her, because I cannot afford to banana. Go on. So there's a lot in J. And J isn't losing up along. But I'm grateful that in Kubane I still have a job, you know. I have shelter, that's a story for another day. But there's always, I'll always say, Kuti, there's always something to be grateful for. It's one of the prayers that I had made, Kuti. Difuna uba unpick and andiphe opportunity mana ansikelele ngentoba ndikohlala nomntanami, and he answered that prayer. Because as long as the challenges and struggles that I'm facing, I always remind myself ukuthi the situation could have been worse. So masihlale sibulela for what we have, because matters could have been worse. So I just wanted to share that with you guys before we go and finally buy a fridge. Sana. But anyway, let's go.
Must always stay on.
Okay.
365 days a year.
Yes.
Even if you're going away, leave your switch on.
Okay.
Let it run all the time.
noma ndiyagoduka
ubuyagoduka.
Chili oil.
Yes, chili oil.
Ayikho umbanele. So you recommend Bosch?
Bosch, yeah. Yeah, Bosch is better, yeah. Better quality. Than
Don't do it like that.
Why?
Yeah, well, I see if I'm in the fridge. I'm there. You want to get up? Tata, so tata, right, that's a scare. Umqhazu lapha ecaleni izayo lento. Man of the house is working. Okay, go on. So here is the fridge, guys, and this is the door. Okay, and then I'm gonna open up the freezer. Oops. So yeah, as you guys have seen, it's very big. It's got a space style inspection. So here is the fridge inside. Now once again into some. So now it's fridge having that. Oh bethuna. Babethwa into yabulelo. So yeah. Guys, this was my fridge and it was working up phezulu freezer, but umzansi sana kept leaking. So bethuna indithwele. Oh, hello guys. Sana like ndibeke istand some apha engikwazi nokuchoba ebhetini ndincokole naye because qaleke I had to ba ndizama uyibeka apha ngasefestileni ndima apha ecanga kwefesti so that I can get like sana ndiyachoba ngoku endincokole nani. Anyway, good morning guys. Welcome to another day. Today is Sunday and I've just come from dropping off Ondalo. They have a practice, Pathfinder practice. I woke up today and I did breakfast for Ondalo quickly. I'm not sure if I had told you guys, I'm on intermittent fasting because I'm on and off painting because painting I don't want to lie, it's so expensive, and I'm like no bake like the song, so now to go and buy almond flour that 250 grams, it's 160 something. Then this is one, and then that's the end of it for me. It just right now I cannot afford it, and because we afford the painting, and I'm fine with that. Because even if pumpkin, excuse me, if pumpkin I'm go buy a malin goku 70 rand, 80 rand. So was a petagang pillow pumpkin. Yeah, so right now just about okay, no, I'm still using the sauces and the spices though, and I'm still using xylitol as my sugar, but as in doshem and the corny shame painting. I don't want to lie, it is expensive. It's expensive, shame. So in this that I've opted for is intermittent fasting. So that's what I do. So I eat after 11 a.m. and then the day before 7 p.m. But obviously like go inside the bed, I couldn't do that because ixesha nje belingavumi yabo, like ixesha belingavumi because sabuya emsebenzini like ngabo after 5 mhlambi, and then we have to freshen up or take a shower before sibe kanti siyahamba siyo lento siyotya, and then so fika mhlambi sifike sibeke u6 athi mhlambi usupervisor wami umbheriba okay no let's eat, let's go out at 6. So I figure you order food, ukutya kuzophinda kufike ngephi ixesha. So when I'm out and about, I don't stick to but when I'm back home, when I'm back apha kumu, I by all means I stick to it, because especially now I'm not following strictly diet ethile, I'm on and off, so nje just to kundincedisa, otherwise sana hayi andikhoni sana painting and corn. That's gonna make like that. So it's a guy okay. On my previous video, because in the video I went in front of my babes because I don't need picture yako quality or whatever. Oh girl, alongside utenge ring light ne. Now, yeah, oh girl, or to me is bad. Like wow, like to Miss Bunny or light a light like not knowing when I call girl never light is bannes and light a ring light yago. So je guys njafunda kaloku ndisafunda ndisemtsha, so please just bear with me. So I apologize for that. The next one, no go. Now that ndiyazi about how I must use my ring light, it will be much better. Sana fridge yamo itole. The fridge is so quiet you can barely hear what you corner up in cleaning. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy with my purchase. It's been long overdue, but as I've told you guys, good team. Imeko was busy mekusa, but yeah, I was forced to eventually buy Ilendo's fridge. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna cook. I think I want something curryish. So I think I'm gonna do lamb curry with just imesh and probably some carrots. Come on, yeah. And then yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. If you are, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay guys, I will catch up with you now. I'm cooking. I just want to quickly show you guys what I got on Friday. I bought lentils on Friday. I bought a chopping board because I didn't have a chopping board. Yeah, pro chef bendithenge Checkers. And then I also bought a glass bowl because because most on my Tupperware bowls. So in it takes long to rise it yam. So with the glass it's gonna take much quicker. Also I got a green tea. I don't remember what else I bought. But I also bought like 1 kg too. So yeah guys, I'm gonna start cooking. So yesterday I made them the carrots and then I decided to freeze them. I think the time that I had put them in the freezer was after 6. Yeah, it was after 6. So Gogo, it's about 1 o'clock. So and yeah, I'm impressed with this the freezer. I don't wanna lie, I'm impressed. Sorry. Yeah, khawuleza. So we have come to the end of this vlog. Ndalo, tell us, how did you like the fridge? And tell us when you came in, because what I did that day, Dam told me that I was like, can you go fetch something in the house and come back with it? So how did, what happened when you opened the door?
So like I came in the house, like, and I opened the door, like, and then I saw a fridge that, like, guys, she surprises.
Okay, so what I told Undalo was that, okay, I have 3 surprises for him. One was a packet of chips, right? And the other one was a chocolate. And then I didn't tell him about the fridge, so I kept saying he must guess. Huh?
If I guessed it right, he said, yeah, correct. If I guessed it right, she said she was gonna give me a 50 rand.
I didn't say 100 rand, just say 50 rand.
I said 50.
Okay, so I told him if he guessed it right, this of nigga a 50 rand, of which I didn't have, but I know what I guess it right. So I told him to go fetch something up in Lini, to come fetch something up in Lini, and then to bring it to me outside in the car.
So when I came in the house, like, she sent me something and then I came in the house after that. So I saw the fridge, so like, okay, I didn't know if that was the surprise. Like, I thought it was something like new shoes or PlayStation or something. And then I came in the house, I saw the fridge, and then I was like, okay.
Were you excited?
And then I started to think about it. So I went to go give her the thing. Then my mouth was open and I was shocked. And then I was like, how was I supposed to know what you bought?
But you were shocked. Why were you shocked?
Because he bought a new fridge.
And how do you feel about that?
I felt happy.
Okay. And he was the first one to pour water in that water dispenser.
Yeah, I wanted to be the first one to touch it
And
do anything. I put things in it.
And he was the first one to touch it. As you guys saw, what he was unboxing, if we call it that.
Also, I think the what's this thing?
The what?
The washing machine. I think I was also the first one.
No, you weren't here when the washing machine was delivered. You were already in East London, because remember, it was delivered in December.
No. It was here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember. I forgot. It makes me forget.
No, I don't. Bye guys. Bye guys.
Okay guys, so I didn't get to tell you how much was the fridge and all of that. So this fridge that I got, I went to look for it on Tuesday, and I went at Rafi's, in Newton Park, to look for a fridge, and I didn't get it. Initially I wanted a DeFi, but then when I was at Cloppers last week, the previous week, I was shopping for a fridge, just looking around good month, and how much is it gonna cost me and all of that. So when I got there, they wanted a Bosch fridge, and it was like the same price as Lendoza in 85, and I was like, yo, I'm taken ile fridge, I'm like taken here. And also the freezer space, like asana, because at the end of the day I want to buy something that's gonna last me 10 years. Come on. So I fell in love with it, and and I was like, no, and if only DeFi, I want the one that I saw. So the pricing on it was 6,999 rand, rounding it off to 7,000. So man discounted like get 200, because I bought the last fridge Labisa Florin, but that was on display. So they only gave me a discount of 200. If 500 million don't sign, I mean, it doesn't even come with a box. Anyway, so yeah, I don't want to lie, I'm happy with it. It's, as I mentioned earlier, it's so quiet. I have got no corner in the house, so I'm really happy with this purchase. And another thing, guys, like Aisha, my wipers are not working, and when I inquired or made inquiries, they told me I have to buy, I think in Dr. Wiper linkage, which costs about 2,800. That's the second hand. Yo, Aisha, isn't just needs a story for another day. But before I close off, I just want to quickly share something. There's a WhatsApp message that I got from a guy. I also shared this on my TikTok. There's a WhatsApp message that I got from a guy that I was studying with, saying, hi, can you please do me a favor? Can you please borrow me 3,000? I've reached my daily limit. I'm going to give it back to you tomorrow. And one, I was like so surprised. We never lend money to each other. So why is he borrowing me money? And secondly, this is a huge amount that he's asking from me. And I sent him, and I just thought, man, there's something wrong here. So I sent a message saying, what's your WhatsApp message back? Can you please send me a voice note? He never did, and I thought, no man, this person might be hacked. Only to find out that the person is indeed was hacked. So basically what I was just saying, let us just normalize, no, now you don't just send money to someone. Nobody, don't just send money. Just be sure, OT, this person that you are talking to is the one indeed that you know before sending money. Come on. So yeah, that is that, guys. Thank you so much that you have watched up until now. Please do not forget that I am on TikTok and on Instagram. Please do follow me there. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, family, and please, I hope I have convinced you to subscribe and be part of this family. Thank you so much for watching. Up until next time, God bless.